Somewhere under your feet, a hidden world just flinched. And in the 1970s, Americans learned how to catch it on film without ever drilling a single mile. Picture the United States at the edge of a new decade, rooms humming with reel-to-reel tapes, coffee-stained printouts curling off machines, and a quiet obsession spreading through a small tribe of scientists. They were listening to earthquakes the way doctors listen to heartbeats. Only this patient was the entire planet. An earthquake isn't just destruction, it's a message. A sharp crack of energy that races through Earth, bends, speeds up, slows down, and arrives seconds or minutes later at sensors far away. For years, those arrivals were just numbers on paper, but then came a daring thought. What if those time delays weren't noise? What if they were the outline of something massive and unseen? So they started collecting everything, not just the big headline-making quakes, also the distant, muffled ones. They stitched together recordings from networks of seismometers, the way photographers layer exposures in a dark room. Each tremor became a flashlight beam passing through a black cave. Alone, one beam shows almost nothing. But thousands can reveal the cave's shape. That's the heart of seismic tomography, turning travel times into pictures, a new kind of imaging, like a CT scan for Earth itself. And here's where the tension tightens. Earth doesn't make it easy. The signals twist through a planet that's never uniform. Hotter rock can let waves slip faster or slower, and colder slabs can act like rigid blades plunging downward. The scientists had to ask an unsettling question. If our equations are wrong, are we seeing the truth? Or inventing a beautiful lie? Then the images began to sharpen. Not photographs, maps of speed and shadow, ghostly patterns that suggested something impossible to truly see, subducting plates diving like colossal ships into the mantle, deep, broad regions that hinted at heat rising, slowly, relentlessly, over millions of years. Earth wasn't a simple layered onion. It was alive with motion, scars and currents, an interior with memory. Midway through, the story flips. It wasn't just about understanding earthquakes anymore. This was a new way to understand everything. Why volcanoes erupt where they do, why continents drift, why the ground beneath you carries the history of worlds colliding and sinking. In the 1970s, seismic tomography didn't just advance science. It gave humanity a new sense, an ability to see with vibrations, to map the invisible, to turn catastrophe into knowledge. And the next time the planet trembles, remember, that shiver is also a signal, and we're finally learning how to read it. If this made you feel the mystery under your feet, help the channel grow. Like, share, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what do you think is the strangest secret still hiding inside Earth?